Hi, and a very good morning to my lovely industrial and academic panel. My name is Vikneswaran Raman from Department of FTKEE, course Beez. I am under Sir Ahmad Sayoti bin Muhammad Shokri. I will present my poster bachelor degree project entitled Design of IoT for Degree of Freedom Robotic Arm. In my poster presentation consists of explanation about software and hardware system process on this project and included most aspects such as project futures, results, and what can conclude in this project. Description of this product. Okay, introduction. IoT is the technology that helps to reduce the works without need for human intervention and can relay data. The robotic arm provides much more accuracy and execution. Okay. Then a robot arm can be more effectively programmed and controlled to perform different tasks. A robot arm is used to execute automatically on and more than one task with speed and accuracy. 6D of robotic arm are controlled by IoT. Okay, from this, what I really want to explain is it's all about IoT and robotic arm. First, I am using IoT. IoT is Internet of Thing which really very helpful in this era, which is the technology era. So we can do a work without a human help or without a manpower. We can also use a robotic arm s- to settle a thing or task within accurate speed and very efficient time. Okay. In this project, I am using 6D of robotic arm controlled by IoT, which means in this project has 6 servo motor controlled by Blink application. For the second part of the presentation, I will explanation about problem statement. Okay. Need more manpower and it is not effective enough. This is because humans are easily become fatigued. Cost of the manpower is higher. In this case of bigger plantation area, a huge number of manpower is needed with inefficient way of the management. So, in future, in industry or factory, they need a lot of men or human people to finish that daily task, which means for the production lane. So every production lane has the limit for the day, so they need a lot of manpower to finish the task. If not if not they cannot achieve the daily target. And also the cost of manpower is very higher, so in future the salary will be very higher, and for the small factory will be face financial issue. The third part is objective. Okay, to success. The objective for the project is to develop IoT for DOF robotic arm. Then second is to design a project to ease the process by using the knowledge of Internet of Things system. Then the last one is to maintain the speed of production, which can maintain or satisfy production rate. Okay, for first develop for IoT for DF robotium, which means we are using a IoT system for DF robotium. The second one is design. So which means we design a project which can help and without any human interaction, which means the robotic arm is a robot which can help us without any issue. Third one is to maintain the speed of production, which means a robotic arm can work without any interaction or without any delay. So it can maintain the speed of the production for entire day. Okay. I will present about methodology for the presentation. Okay. This is a flowchart of the project. First, start, then literature review, design the circuit using Proteus, and and create the coding using Arduino IE software and run the coding without errors. After that, once it will be the coding is okay, we proceed with design of hardware. Once design hardware is okay, then we proceed to system test. Once system test is okay means we will go to full report. If the system test is failure, we return to the coding section to try to run without any errors. For the methodology part, I'm using Node MCO and also motor driver to control the motor without any error or any delay. So somehow I'm using the blink app to control the stepper motor to the direction which we set for place the pick and place the system. Result and discussion. First, create a new project. So create. I'm using Blink application for create a new project, and there's a for before we start a new project, we should create a email and a password for the each project, each new project. Once we create, we just sign in with the email. On sign in, we can we can see the Blink application development. Once then we can develop six six motto for control the direction of the robotic arm. Okay. Then the prototype of the project. This is a prototype of the project which includes six servo motor and the development box include Node MCU. Node MCU is a Node MCU is a controller which intersect with the between Blink application and the internet. So this is a overall the project. The purpose is pick and place the or pick the object and place the object one place to another place. So which means the object is picked up from the robotic arm, and second is the object will grip by the robotic arm, and third will be the object will be placed by robotic arm, which means so the robotic arm will move the direction by control by blink and it will grip the object and it will place the object in one side to another side by using blink application. Okay, besides that, project features. Okay, project features is control direction of robotic arm by using a blink application, which means we are using a blink application to control the direction. Second, using a smartphone device to control the robot. Yeah, for blink app we can use for will be very useful for iOS and Android. So both users can use a smartphone to control the robotic arm, which means the only one connection will be the Wi-Fi connection must be same as same as we write a coding or email name sign as a same name should be the same name for the node MCU and robotic arm. So the third is Blink application can support for iOS and Android devices. So the Blink S is a friendly app, so it will be very useful for both iOS and Android. The project potential can be used for industrial production lane and harvesting like it's very easy for harvesting because in production lane and harvesting they need a lot of manpower to finish the task, and also can pick and place the object with more speed and accuracy without delay. So the robotic arm can pick and place an object within certain minutes. So which means it won't be a delay. So it will be function very efficiently. So conclusion of the project. Design of Internet of the Things IoT for DOF robotic arm very convenient to the industry. The system's motto is the part that powers of the movement.
It makes the rotation that action of the robotic arm is responsible for. The robotic arm itself is another important element. It is important to have the right material that has a high longevity and resistant for external hazard including heat. Another essential aspect is a wiring of the system and is responsible for the transfer of data within system itself. It also can monitor how data transmitted. This technology helps us to understand how the link was formed between the node MCU and Blink and the internet. This technology helps humans not involving in any harm situation. What we can conclude in this project is the robotic arm is very useful, very convenient to the industry, which means it can replace with the humans, so it can work non-stop even um, in production line without any interruption, so which means it can work forever without any error or without any delay. And also the wiring is main, it's a major thing, which means the connection of each servo motor is all depend on the wiring which we wire. If the one connection wire is correct and without any loss, the robotic arm will function very well. And also the robotic arm itself is another important thing, which means the material of arm robotic is kind of iron and aluminum things, so which means it won't it won't burn when it work nearby the heat. So most important thing is we can understand how the node MCU and Blink application and the internet work together to make the task very easy, and also help human to do not interrupt their self into the any critical situation. It's like an arm situation, like it will be replaced for humans for not involving any major injury. Good morning to everyone. So my name is Vikneswaran Raman. Today I'm going to show about demonstration of my project, which title name is Design of IoT for DOF Robotic Arm. Okay, this is a prototype for my project, which is robotic arm, and the robotic arm has a 6D servo motor. So one motor is down here, second one is here, third one is here, fourth is here, fifth is here, and sixth is here. Okay, so this one is a development board which include which not MCO, and another one is a motor drive. Okay, so I'm using two power supply which include 5 volt. One is here, another one support for motor drive, another one support for not MCO. Okay, and I'm using two, one for blink app, another one for not MCO, which the hotspot name should be ROM arm robot 1, and the password should be the same as arm robot 1. Okay, so let's see it's connect or not. Okay, wait for a while, it will connect. Okay, it's already connect to a not MCO, and robotic arm for blink app also, which is already connect. So we are going to okay, today I'm going to first of all, before we start demonstration, I'm going to show for the blink app how to control the 6D of robotic arm. This is a motor which we already set, so we are going to try one by one. So first of all, for first motor, so we are going to check. Okay, so the first motor is working, so the second motor also is working, and third motor also is working, and fourth
what also is working, and 5 is slider, which means it can rotate for how to take a take or snap up things. Then fifth number last is motor for gripper, so it will open until it's okay, until the maximum point. Okay, for now 6 motor is every motor is working, so I'm going to do demo for so I'm going to pick the thing and place the thing. Okay, so we need to rotate first. Okay, I'm already rotate. Okay. That motor is working. Okay, then fourth. Now I'm going to okay, so it's lastly it's already placed in the which we already create for the placement. Okay, this is for the demonstration for pick and place, which has which controlled by 6 motor and using by blink application. That's all. Thank you.